Kent Gardens Elementary School opened in 1957. The school was named for the nearby Kent Gardens residential neighborhood. In February 1952, James Somerville, a prominent attorney and a member of the U.S. Supreme Court Bar, purchased 24 acres of land from Ernest and Lavinia Kirby on Westmoreland Street at Pimmet Run, with the intention of reselling the property for residential development. 5 months later, in July 1952, Somerville sold the land to his sister, Margaret Somerville Chittenden. Operating as the Kentville Land Corporation, Margaret Chittenden began planning the development of the Kirby property, naming her new neighborhood Kent Gardens. The name Kent was chosen in honor of Kenton Darrell Hamaker, a prominent architect in the Washington, D.C. area, who was a personal friend of the Somerville family. Kenton Hamaker was born in Bonanza, Oregon, in 1908. He graduated from the University of Oregon in the early 1930s with a degree in architecture and made his way to Washington, D.C. By 1934, Hamaker's home designs were the talk of the town, with local newspapers extolling the beauty of his work. Many of these homes still stand today in Alexandria and Arlington County. In October 1934, Kenton Hamaker married Mary Josephine Klein, a Falls Church native who was a graduate of the Jefferson Institute, the town of Falls Church's public high school. The couple were married at Falls Church Presbyterian Church, where they were members of the congregation. During the 1940s and 1950s, Hamaker designed at least 6 churches in Arlington and Fairfax counties, including Little Falls Presbyterian Church, Our Savior Lutheran Church, and a new sanctuary for his congregation at Falls Church Presbyterian Church. In 1946, Hamaker entered into a business partnership with Howard W. Sharp, and the men, operating as the firm of Sharp and Hamaker, built shopping centers, banks, industrial parks, churches, and schools in our region. In the 1950s, their contracting firm was hired by the Fairfax County School Board to construct Virginia Hills and West Lawn elementary schools, and to build additions at Fairfax and Hollin Hall elementary schools. In his free time, Kenton Hamaker loved gardening. He created a large azalea garden in the backyard of the home that he designed for his family in Arlington. He also enjoyed sailing. He could often be found boating on the Potomac River in a Hampton-class sailboat, which he named Joe Blow. Kenton Hamaker passed away in 1982 and was buried at Oakwood Cemetery in Falls Church.